Hi everyone, welcome to Cantonese Poem for Kids. In this video, there will be 3 parts. First, I will recite in normal speed. Second, I will repeat sentence by sentence. Third, I will sing the poem. So let's begin. 農夫，農夫，作者兒歌詩人。農夫工作真辛勞，菜瓜滿田種得好，澆水施肥不嫌早，秋來豐收笑聲高。農夫 farmer， 農夫工作真辛勞，菜瓜滿田種得好，澆水施肥不嫌早，秋來豐收笑聲高。Let's sing the poem. 農夫，作者兒歌詩人。農夫工作真辛勞，菜瓜滿田種得好，澆水施肥不嫌早，秋來豐收笑聲高。In this poem, there's a rhyme 勞、好、早、高 the O sound. Isn't it fun? So let's repeat by yourself. In this video, special thanks to 兒歌詩人。If you like the video, please push the like button, share, comment, and you can subscribe for more. So let's meet in another video next time. Bye bye.